Hello and welcome to today's Luna XIO device tracking demonstration. My name is Alex Creston, Director of Quality Engineering for Luna XIO. Today, we will demonstrate how Luna can save on device replacement costs and boost employee productivity by transforming your existing mobile computers and scanners into a powerful infrastructure of connected devices. Luna XIO's device tracking solution simplifies operations and maximizes efficiency. Here's how. Imagine a situation where a mobile computer was left in a warehouse away from any Wi-Fi hotspots and currently shows as not present. An employee simply marks this item as lost. Now anyone walking by the location of the lost device, close enough to be within Bluetooth range, about 30 feet, will receive a notification stating that a lost tracker has been located nearby and offered to help locate it. If someone chooses to help locate this computer, they will have an option to send an alert to the lost device, which will make it emit an alert sound, allowing for easy discovery of its whereabouts. The first person who located this device now can mark it as found and return it to its owner. Now for another example where employees take action to recover a lost device. Picture this. A mobile computer is left somewhere in a large store. Rather than walking around and searching for it, its owner asks a colleague to help recover their lost device. Another employee uses the Luna Locate app on their device, let's call it Seeker, to identify the mobile computer in question and mark it as lost. Then, using the proximity view feature, they find out that the lost computer was last seen near the lunchroom copier that serves as a permanent location anchor point. They walk over to that location to check. Once they arrive, the Seeker device receives a notification that a lost device is found nearby. They use the alert feature to force the lost computer to sound an alarm and quickly locate it behind a stack of copier paper. Now all that is left to do is mark the lost device as found. Considering that 10 to 20% of mobile computers and scanners are lost annually, utilizing Luna's device tracking technology can greatly increase employee productivity and benefit your bottom line. Thank you for watching our device tracking demo. If you would like to learn more about how Luna can help with your device tracking challenges, please schedule a free consultation with us at lunaxio.com/consult. See you next time.